Hello friends. Welcome to Stable Dollar. I hope you are very well. Today Monday, January 30th, I bring you my analysis for the Eurodollar, Pound Yen, Australian Dollar US Dollar and Bitcoin Dollar pairs. This is only the analysis of the week, it is not investment advice. To continue learning together, I recommend that you subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. In the Eurodollar. First, we must know that this week we will have news such as the inflation rate of the European Union, so everything can vary at great speed and with a lot of volatility. First, in daily candles we can see how the price tries to form a small accumulation in this part. The price comes from being on discount, where clearly the trend is up. In 4-hour candles we confirm the accumulation. Green areas are shopping areas. In 1-hour candles we confirm again what was analyzed. You could wait for the price to go down to one of these areas to take liquidity, and thus be able to continue rising, since we are in an uptrend. In the blue box is the approximation that we expect for this week. Seeing that there is news, we cannot dismiss the price going up directly either. Even if the news is very negative for the euro, we can see a big drop in the price, but seeing how the market has been handling lately, I don't see it as very likely. Now, where would the price go in an uptrend? I see the price in the green zone as a great point of interest on a weekly basis, reaching values close to 1.11 and 1.12. In the pound yen, we see the trend is bullish on a weekly basis, and we see that this week we will again have news about these pairs. I also believe that we are in a macro accumulation forming a small pennant. I think it will break that pattern to fall to some lower buy area, and thus continue the uptrend to 165,000. We can see that it is coming off a big drop in December. If the market allows it, I would look for sales at first, until I see the reversal at 158 and thus go on to look for operations to buy. The price has failed to break out of the pink line for several attempts, and we can see that we are in a fairly strong selling zone in the previous few days. In the Australian dollar and the US dollar, we see on a daily basis, we come with an upward trend. In an old previous sales area, there was a change in trend in my opinion. I would wait for a retracement to take liquidity and break that zone strongly to continue in an uptrend. I would expect the price in some of the parkland. In the FIBO we can see the approximate retracement in the 61.8 area. We also have news in the week, within the US dollar. In Bitcoin, here we already have the analysis done, do it before haha. In the 17,000 we have a lot of purchase volume with a lot of liquidity. As there is news about the dollar, the price can easily be affected. There is a large sales area between 25,000 and 24,000. I think the price will drop in that area. We can expect the price to drop again to 17 or 18,000. Or between 20,000 and 21,000, change the upward trend to break the price. This may happen later. I don't think this will happen anytime soon, as we are in a macro accumulation moment. I would expect a large accumulation to break the price with force and a lot of liquidity up to 30,000. I estimate that by June we could be there. With that we end, friends. I remind you that this is an analysis, everything can look different as the days go by. This is not advice, just an estimated analysis, where confirmations will have to be found in shorter periods of time. Don't forget to subscribe and help me grow. Leave me your opinions in the comments so we can continue learning together.